100% polyester. Stylish design. This shower curtain features calming neutrals and soothing shades of blue presented in an ombre effect to create a spa-like oasis in your own bathroom. The shower curtain will keep water from splashing onto the bathroom floor. Fabric shower curtain. Made from premium quality 100% polyester fabric. Instantly update your bathroom's look with this beautiful shower curtain. Great for all bathroom styles. Reinforced buttonholes. The Nomad Mineral bathroom shower curtain features a reinforced top header with 12 reinforced buttonholes, allowing easy hanging of the shower curtain. These buttonholes will work with all shower hooks and shower rings. Easy care. Machine wash cold with light colors, gentle cycle, use mild detergent, do not bleach, tumble dry low, if necessary, iron on permanent press setting. Standard size. Measures 72-inch wide by 72-inch long, designed to fit all standard tubs and showers. These bathroom curtains require separate curtain liners. Top reviews from the United States. Lovely, more aqua than dusty blue. I agree with other reviewers that the tone of the lighter blue is more aqua than dusty blue. That's okay, it still goes well with the peel stick wallpaper that I recently put up on one of my bathroom walls. I wanted a shower curtain with some of the same colors, a subtle pattern. This is perfect. The lines are straight, no issues like some others have had. I gave it a quick iron and it looks great. Overall, I am very happy with it.